And kids, that was the story of how I met architecture. Oh hey, you just got here. Sorry I missed that. I mean, we all like stories. We tell them, we listen to them, we analyze them. Well, you know what else tells stories? Buildings. Now you, yes you, sit back and relax as I tell you this amazing architectural story of planning your last month of the year, December.
People act, people act.
For building this planner, we will still be using the same platform, Microsoft Office's PowerPoint, with the same customized slide size of 21.59 by 27.94 centimeters. Starting off the cover page, so I got this Arki drawing from Canva. That's where I get all kinds of illustrations that I'll still be using in this planner, and as you may see some new fonts throughout. I've downloaded them from a website. Everything was free and it's really useful for making cute handwritten like planners. Moving on, we have our month calendar for your whole month events and holidays overview. So as the title goes, we are opting for the minimalist vibe. So we have this another cute Arki drawing piece just at the upper left corner. Next is a page dedicated for your list of specified goals to aim for by the end of the month. So while studying architecture, I have this way of labeling my designs in dots and lines, which I find really neat and pro-like. Disclaimer, not a pro, but I simply like how my projects turn out with them. In line with this, the layout for our goals page resembles the labeling type, which is pretty neat. Lastly, we have our weekly spread. As some of you may know, I am just currently experimenting the effectiveness of portrait weekly spreads compared to landscape ones, and honestly, based on my experience, I really find the landscape mode more organized and effective, but that was just because my last month's portrait layout didn't seem to be as accommodating for me. But let's see with this new layout I've made whether I could make it work. Hopefully it would for you. Going back to the theme, I simply used one building sketch as a background for our weekly spreads, and yes, we are keeping it as minimal as possible, up to the colors chosen. And that is basically it for this month's short Arki Minimalist Vibe Planner. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. This planner's printables is in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and let me know if you find it effective or not. Anyway, if you like this video, how about you join me in this constantly voyaging world of planning with me? So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's promise to see each other again. Kita kits!